Google is preparing something exciting with the Pixel 10 series. If you follow Google's smartphone history, you might remember the Nexus series. Back then, Google partnered with companies like HTC, LG, Motorola, Samsung, and Huawei to design phones, while Google focused on the software. But in 2016, Google launched the Pixel series and took full control over both the hardware and software. Since then, Google has introduced some interesting innovations. The Pixel 4 had a Face ID-like facial recognition system and motion sense, which let you control your phone with hand gestures. The Pixel 5 surprised many people by focusing on a mid-range design instead of competing with flagship phones. Then came the Pixel 6, which marked a big change. It had a new camera design, AI-powered features like the Magic Eraser and a periscope zoom lens on the Pro model. It also introduced Google's own processor, the Tensor chip, which was based on Samsung's Exynos design with some Google-specific tweaks. Now with the Pixel 10 series, Google is making an even bigger move. The biggest upgrade, a brand new Tensor G5 processor. This time, Google is not using Samsung's Exynos chips. Instead, the Tensor G5 is fully designed by Google and will be built by TSMC using a cutting-edge 3-in process. This change should make the phone more powerful and efficient. What does this mean for users? The new Tensor G5 chip is expected to bring big performance improvements. It will likely make the Pixel 10 faster and more power efficient. However, there's a challenge. Since Google is no longer using Samsung's chips, it also loses access to Samsung's image signal processor, ISP. This is the part of the processor that helps improve photo quality. To solve this, Google is creating its own ISP, which could work even better with Google's AI and camera technology. Another interesting improvement was recently discovered in the Android open source project. A Google engineer's notes suggest that the Pixel 10's boot-up time will be 30% faster than before. If you're using the Pixel Fold version, the boot-up time will be about 25% faster. While the exact details aren't clear, it shows that Google is focusing on making the phone faster and more efficient. So, when will we see the Pixel 10? Google usually announces new Pixel devices at its annual developer event, Google S/O, in 2025. This event is expected to happen in May. That's when we'll likely get our first look at the Pixel 10. With Apple's WWDC scheduled for June, Google will probably want to reveal its phone first. The big question is, what special features will the Tensor G5 bring? Google is known for its AI-powered features, so we might see new AI camera tricks, better language processing, or unique software experiences. If done right, the Pixel 10 could set a new standard for smartphones. The smartphone industry is highly competitive. With Apple, Samsung, and other brands pushing innovation, Google needs to deliver something special with the Pixel 10. If they succeed with their new chip, improved cameras, and AI features, the Pixel 10 could be a game changer. Are you excited about the Pixel 10? What features do you want to see? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.